Does anybody know where we are? You can put it down there in the comments below. You can take a guess. Oh man, it's all the sights and sounds of Brooklyn, folks. Hey, I'm photographer David Flores, hanging out with my pals from B&H, and we're taking an exciting first look at Canon's brand new Rebel SL3 camera. The SL3 is the most compact, lightweight SLR in Canon's digital lineup. We're gonna put it through its paces today and see what it's all about. I'm a huge fan of the SL Rebels. This is the SL3. It's weird, I felt this way about the SL2 as well, but the SL3, it's even better because the focus is so fast. It's like a mirrorless camera that's not a mirrorless camera. So you have an optical viewfinder up top. If you're using that, you have 9 autofocus points. But if you're using the rear LCD screen, you're using Canon's dual pixel AF system, which is crazy fast for focus in terms of photo and video. It's nearly instantaneous. Bam, get the shot. All right, so we're hanging out in the shade here. And what's nice is on the LCD screen, wherever you touch, you can get focus. You can even enable touch shutter, which I'm gonna do here. And that makes it possible for you to touch the screen. It's gonna get focus right where you tap, and it's also gonna make an exposure. Just like that. This is so cool. I love this. The shadows make it, man. Woo! This is awesome. This is so cool. Oh, tall stairs. What's cool about a camera like the SL3 is it's light enough, it's compact enough where you'll actually take it with you. So, you know, think things like your kids' events, or if you're taking that vacation, it's nice to have a dedicated camera because you're gonna come away with much higher quality photos and video. Trying to fit this little fairy in at the bottom here. It's really bright yellow. Got it. So if you go with the SL3, you want to keep it compact, you want an awesome lens, I'm going to recommend the EFS 24mm 2.8. It's a super, super compact lens. Some folks might even call it a pancake lens. Doug, you got to get up close on this. It's like 1 inch thick. It's like a body cap on here. Don't try this at home. We're going to make a portrait of Matt with a 24mm lens. They said it couldn't be done, but we're going to do it right here, right now. All right, I know this may be a little bit hard to see because of all the reflections out here, but this is the SL3. It's featuring Canon's latest Digic 8 processor. So look at how good the autofocus tracking is here on Matt. And we're in a bit of a challenging light situation. Hey, Matt, look down a little bit more. Lower your chin. What do you think, Doug? That looked pretty dramatic.
I like it.
All right. Now, Matt, smile. One for mom. One for mom, Matt. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna put on the 10 to 18mm EFS. Look like I know what I'm doing, right? Okay. And what's cool, you know, when you're doing this, like the 10 to 18, it has a built-in optical image stabilizer. So if you're in a situation where you're shooting at a slower exposure, it'll compensate for the movement of your hand. Let's try to make some more pictures with this lens right now. All right, again, it's the mirrorless, not mirrorless camera. The SL3 has face and eye detection. Now, of course, this only works when you're using the live view mode of the camera, but it's keeping up with Doug here at far distance, the close distance. It's pretty good. Now, face and eye detection, it'll work if you're shooting HD video. It doesn't work in 4K. For that, you're getting contrast detection autofocus, works a little bit slower. You know, if you're a portraitist or you're trying to make a great shot of friends and family, I think this is an awesome way to ensure you're getting the face and the eye in focus. And if you love Doug's glasses, let us know in the comments below. All right, so we've talked about how good the dual pixel AF system is for stills. It also works in video when you're shooting HD. But here's a cool feature. For the first time ever in a Rebel, UHD 4K. It's 24 frames a second, not 30, not 60. There's no dual pixel AF. You do have contrast detection autofocus if you need it. But there's 4K video in a Rebel. That's awesome. Can we do a dance party? All right, so yes, the SL3 has 4K video, but it has another really cool video feature, 4K time-lapse. Now, time-lapse, use it for a lot of different things. It basically just shows the passage of time. I want you to move around these stairs like it's 1994, and I'll do the same thing.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Can do it.
Time-lapse.
Yes.
Time-lapse.
Time-lapse.
Time-lapse. So if you're gearing up for that family vacation, you have options with the Rebel SL3. Got the black, and then if you and the kids are going to Hoth, and you're ready for the Tauntaun rides, you have the awesome Stormtrooper white. Me personally, I think probably going to Tachi Station to pick up some power converters. So I had an awesome time using the Canon SL3 today. It's a fantastic addition to the Rebel lineup. You know, if you're looking for that great family camera, maybe you're taking a trip, you want to bring a great dedicated photo and video hybrid camera with you, I think it's fantastic. For more on the Canon Rebel SL3 photography and all things imaging, visit B&H. I'm photographer David Flores. See you next time. Oh, good. You know where to go. Visit B&H. I'm photographer David Flores, and we will see you next time. Oh! I am very old.